Hey people, so we are about to enter Comic Con and these cute little bags. I mean, the entry fee was 900, so it is on the higher side really. And take a look. Okay. Ayush, you are holding on to that kutu? Holding it in your you have the money carefully.